Alrighty, so we're going to work out number 4 off the worksheet that we have for our fractions module. And it's got 2 parts, and I'm going to use a different strategy for each part. All right, we are determining which fraction is larger between a set of fractions. And this problem that was on the worksheet is 14 fifteenths. Is it larger or smaller than 12 thirteenths? And we're going to use missing piece strategy to work this problem. All right, so the missing piece strategy requires for us to figure out how many parts are to the whole. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask ourselves what pieces are missing to make this fraction a whole. And in order to make this fraction a whole, starting with 14 fifteenths, we are our whole would be represented as 15 fifteenths. So we're going to take 15 fifteenths and subtract 14 fifteenths and get the difference to see what our missing piece is. Okay, it's sloppy, but we have 15 fifteenths minus 14 fifteenths, and 15 minus 4 equals 1, so that leaves us with 1 15th. Let me write that down there for us. Okay, so we have 1 15th, and that shows that we just need one more 15th to make 14 fifteenths a whole at 15 fifteenths. I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to write 1 15th underneath the fraction 14 fifteenths to show our missing piece. All right, we're going to apply the same method to the other fraction of 12 thirteenths. And the only thing that's different this time is that to make it a whole, we have 13 parts. So to represent a whole with this fraction will be 13 thirteenths. And we're going to take and subtract 12 thirteenths, which is our parts, from the whole of 13 13. And I'll demonstrate that now. We're left with 1/13. Okay? So we see that the missing piece is 1/13 for this fraction, as 13 minus 12 equals 1, and our denominator stay the same, of course. So that makes it 1/13. One piece is missing to make this a whole fraction. I'm going to do the same and write our piece that's missing underneath our fraction. All right. Our final step is to compare our fractions. We have 1/15 compared to 1/13. Which one of these is larger? Well, with fractions, we know the larger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. When we divide a space or we divide a number line with more parts, the parts are smaller. If we divide it with less parts, the parts are larger. So 13 will be less parts divided than 15 parts. So 1/13 is bigger than 1/15. I'm going to work another